Sup everyone, I Stiga Vibes. This is man say, yo people, means I hope never like running a people business, but as a man, thing I get to me head. So man say, yo Miss Chin, big up yourself still. So man say, but the end of the day, if you're not for Gully Bop, then you're not for Gully Bop. So man say, stop play the man and make the man look like fool pan interview and them something. So man say, and the whole world I see. Yes, man say my girl, and right now me don't even respect that as a man. Where I look pan a man where yo Gully Bop love him more than him love himself. And the whole world can see that. Yes, a man say, yo, I've been watching you, my girl. You never once, ever go for no interview and refer to Gully Bop as your fiance. You refer to the man as Gully Bop. The man show a ring saying by your fiance and you refer to him as Gully Bop. A fool you take the man for right this as I call me Gully Bop, me take back my ring. Give me back my ring. Give me back my ring, me want it back. You can't style the man thing. And again, alright, me figure this out. If you're not really with the kissing thing, then you know with the kissing thing. But stop every time the man try to kiss you, you move your face. That means you're embarrassed at the man and you laugh it off. But, oh, cool, man, stop playing. You love your foolish. I embarrass that man, my girl. And the whole world know that and see that too. You take the man for idiot. You some man say, yo, me understand, say, a 20 year now Gully Bop down in the gully and him finally release the gully juice out time Gully back in a year. Some man say, and him feel good. You see me? So I'm happy say, yo, him have a woman who finally give him something and when he went down, you probably reach there first and make him feel like a man and feel welcome and feel comfort and him a show you about the love. You see me? But end of the day, for some reason, I believe say I use the man for some potential gain or something, my girl. Cause your love no loyal. You not show it. You see me? Only way you can prove it right now. The next time, give the man a French kiss. So some man say all up in them tongue and them. So that wants to make you know, say, yo, you think loyal. You love Gully Bop. Some man say, but when you go on, and go up an interview and I refer to the man as Gully Bop. Every single interview Gully Bop do. From once him say, yo, I miss Chin around me think. People if you don't listen to first now, when Gully Bop first come out, you know, a short boss around thing, you know. After that, me no hear about short boss, you know, miss Chin around things right now, you know. Yes, a man say, and I'm fiance, you know, every interview Gully Bop do him big up Miss Chin. Every interview. My girl, every interview you do, you refer to the man as Gully Bop. Or you have to refer to me, you can't refer to me as no Gully Bop. You're mad. So me I wonder, what me I try to figure out is, the man I try to kiss up on the cheek and you're him fiance. So when you get married, where you go kiss him? Pan him cheek back same way. A fool you take the man for my girl and you play with the man thing and stop violate the man. If you don't love the man, you don't love the man. If it's a business thing, it's a business thing. People take this from me. You not breed, my girl. I lie. Gully Bop tap make she full up your fucking head with fuckery. She know she not breed. Where you go tell me, say you lose the baby? You not breed. And the whole world know you not breed, my girl. You not get no gully baby out of your gully belly. No, now come out there. And that me I make you know. The only thing when I come out there, your pum stomach strong. Me not tell you because yourself still a strong pum stomach. You see me? But stop style up the man thing and the whole world see that and know that and right now me hungry for that. You see me? Cause Gully Bop a real youth and him love you and respect you. You still every day you come for an interview and I can refer to the man as Gully Bop and him something there. And him supposed to be a fiancé, my girl. Yo, sort out yourself, people, and the whole world can see that and know that. And we not respect that. We understand so the man love you. If the man love you, the man love you. So show about the man him love. Show about the man say you appreciate him and you love him same way. You see, man say refer to the man as a fiancé or him right name. No Gully Bop as we every fan refer to him. You see, man say, yo, Gully Bop, big up yourself still, my brother. I hope you figure out and hear me tell you next week. Stop do them one bag of video the way I do. And I call up man name General and money up. Yo, are you texting? Are you the general? Are you the boss? Stop make up them people go think say you're still madman in a gutter. You every time somebody turn on a camera, you make video and make fool of yourself. Done them something there, you pass them stage, you're a big artist right now. And you are on Jamaica. And you are on the world right now. You can't go nowhere nobody now say Gully Bop. So yo, stop do them. People take off in a heat that every time them turn on camera, you come make up. Done with them sitting there. And my girl better sort out herself straight or somebody go, yo, Jano, yo, me know you all your file it, you know, me not talk about the traffic in charge, you know, my girl. Don't me come over, come done your thing. So I say, show the man love and respect. Yo, people are Stiga Vibes this. Yo, follow up on IG at Stiga Vibes 4. So I say, and go up on my website for more details at stigavibes.com. Hi! Miss Chin, take off your clothes. Me know you take off your clothes to me. Keep on your clothes. I'm like, keep on your clothes.